Hi students, welcome to today's psychology session. So today we will discuss about a new research method, that is survey research. So under survey research, we will get certain social concepts. So certain social concepts are researched by using survey research method. So in survey research method, questionnaire method is used, interview method is used, and psychological testing method is used, and as a rare method, personal interviews and telephonic surveys are used. So first method is questionnaire method. So questionnaire method, under this method, two types of questions come: open-ended questions and closed-ended questions. Open-ended and closed-ended. So what is open-ended and closed-ended questions? Open-ended questions are the questions which give subjective types of answers or descriptive types of answers. Okay, it will not be specific, it is open. And closed-ended questions are objective type, that means yes or no, true or false. Okay, we can give a specific response. So the response will be in objective level. So open-ended means it is subjective and closed-ended means it is objective. And the response will be also descriptive for the open-ended questions and objective for the closed-ended questions. So for the research method, almost 90% of the scholars, research scholars, use closed-ended questions for the questionnaire method. Okay, and next is interview. Interview method is divided into two, structured interview and non-structured interview, or we can call it a standardized interview and non-standardized interview. In standardized interview, the questions will be in structured way. That means questions will be prepared well in advance. That means in standardized question, structured questions means it will be closed-ended questions. Answers or responses will be objective way. In non-standardized question, questions will not be prepared in advance. On the spot questions will be asked. That means open-ended questions will be asked and the response will be also in a descriptive level. So that is the standardized interview and non-standardized interview. Okay, so when we conduct interview method, we should have an information about the question type. Okay, so two methods are over: questionnaire method and interview method, and the third one is psychological test or psychological testing method. So psychological test should be standard or it should be scientific. So what do you mean by a standard psychological test? For a standard psychological test, three features should be meet with each other. That means objectivity, reliability, and validity. Objectivity, reliability, and validity. Objectivity. What is objectivity? Objectivity means the questions should be closed-ended questions. That means the response should be in an objective level so that we can get a specific result. That is objectivity. And one more definition is there for objectivity. The meaning should be conveyed same for all the participants. The meaning of the statement of the questionnaire, if the questionnaire consists of 70 statements, the meaning of the 70 statements should be same for all the participants. That means the test should convey the same meaning for all the participants. It is called objectivity. And second one is reliability. Reliability means the consistency of the score. Okay, the score should be same for different participants or same participants in different occasions. Okay, the consistency of score is called reliability. When we conduct a psychological test for same participants in two different occasions, if we get two different results, then we can say the test is not reliable. If we get same results for the same participants in two different occasions, then we can say that particular psychological test is reliable. That is called reliability. And the third one is validity. Validity means the truthfulness of the test. The truthfulness of the test means the test should measure what it claims to measure. For example, Eysenck's personality questionnaire. Eysenck's personality questionnaire assesses personality of an individual. Instead of assessing the personality of an individual, if Eysenck's personality questionnaire assesses the intelligence of the individual, we can say that particular test is not valid. So, the test should measure what it claims to measure. So, if these three concepts come, then we can say the psychological test is standardized. Okay, that is their survey research. The main common methods are questionnaire method, interview method and psychological test. Questionnaire method, questions are divided into two, open-ended questions and closed-ended questions. Subjective level and objective level. And interview method, standardized interview and non-standardized interview. And the third one is psychological test, objectivity, reliability and validity. Hope the session is clear. Thank you.